Hi guys.
I thought I was saying hi, guys.
Well, you say hi guys.
No, you can say hi, guys.
Hi guys. Hope you're all alright. Did you see our last vlog? The Gran Canaria?
No, not many people did, because not many people watched it. Do us a favour and go back and watch it. Stace,
Yeah.
when was it when we saved Christmas Day?
It was last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, I know it was last year, but what day was it?
'Twas the night before Christmas.
What'd you say it like that for?
Because I'm just saying, it's a story, isn't it?
See you later. Enjoy. Spread a bit of Christmas cheer and do us a favour. We're not asking for a thumbs up or a like if you don't want to. We're not even asking you to subscribe on it. Just share it and bring a bit of cheer to everybody else. The story now follows.
Hope you all enjoy.
Hello? I've got a story to tell you. Yes. It's called 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. 'Twas the night before Christmas. Not even a sound. Santa was walking and looking around. Rudolph's gone missing, along with his sleigh. Now Santa's confused and can't find his way. Oh, 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 what a night that was. The true story, Hull Hikers and Van Life helped me save Christmas Day. Last year, Christmas Eve. That's why it's called 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.
'Twas the night before Christmas.
He walks to the left, then he walks to the right. He then looks ahead and sees a strange sight. It wasn't a problem or caused any strife. Just a van with words saying, Hull Hikers and Van Life. He opened the door real quiet and slow, and lo and behold, he heard someone blow.
Rampant reindeers. Oh my goodness me. What a night.
Oh my goodness me. They certainly pushed the boat out on the Christmas decorations. Oh, the stingy beggars. Oh, yes. There's the lights. They've nearly got it looking like Blackpool. He then closed the door, as outside was like ice. But then again inside didn't smell very nice.
Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness. What the truth? Oh my goodness me, that was loud. Oh, it stinks in here. It stinks in here. Oh no, no, no. Oh, oh, oh. I don't know about blitzing. Oh, it smells like somebody shitsin'. Oh, the smelly devils. Which one is it? Well, they both appear to be fast asleep. Stacey was dreaming and thinking of me. She had her eyes closed and was laid on her back.
Oh, Santa, dear Santa, can I look in your sack?
Ho, ho, ho! I wonder what she's dreaming about. Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, Santa, Santa. Oh, you can leave your hat on.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Stacey! Ho, 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 ho! This woke Ali up, and he started to
Come nearer
mumble.
to me. Let's have a fumble.
Now Santa likes giving and making us happy, but he had to tell Ali he's not that sort of chappy.
No, ho, 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 no. I'm afraid, Ali, I'm not that kind of chap. I'd like to give you a Merry Christmas, but I've no intention of making you that merry. Ho, 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 ho.
Now what would you like for your Christmas treat?
Some nice diamond earrings.
Or chocolate to eat.
And what about Ali? What would you like?
I'd like a new car.
Or a second-hand bike.
Santa asked Stacey, have you been good?
Yes.
She's pulling your bud. Anyway, Santa, why are you here? Rudolph's gone missing with all the reindeer. He's gone with the presents, I don't know which way. There won't be a Christmas without my big sleigh.
Don't worry, Santa. We know what to do. We'll ring Stinky Gareth and Mad Trisha Pugh.
Wait a minute, Stacey. Showing me a treat. You like this one, Santa? It's good enough to eat.
Stacey starts fumbling under the covers. She looks like she's thinking of all her past lovers. Her hand goes astray, and Ali shouts, ouch! Stacey starts giggling and pulls out a pouch. Ho, ho, ho.
Ouch!
Here it is, Santa. It's nothing rude. It's just a big bag of reindeer food.
Are you sure this reindeer food's magic reindeer food?
Yes, Santa.
Ho, ho, that's amazing. Thank you very much, Stacey and Ali. Wish you both a Merry Christmas. I'm your #1 fan. Ho, 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 ho. Right, let's have a look. Come along, Rudolph. Let's hope this works. We ready, Rudolph? Come along, Rudolph. There's a good reindeer.
Oh, here you are. Good boy. Hippity-ho! Away we go! Rudolph returned with Santa's sleigh. Hull Hikers and Van Life have saved Christmas Day.
Bye, Santa. Bye. Merry Christmas, Santa.
Bye. Merry Christmas. I can't believe we've just met Santa.
And he's been in our van.
Hello. Crazy. Go on then, we need to go to sleep now so he won't come to us.
All right then. Good night.
Good night.
And that's how the Hull Hikers and Van Life saved Christmas Day. Yes, it's a true story. I know you won't believe it, but it is. And don't forget, boys and girls, don't forget to subscribe. And remember, you may like the video as well. Please feel free to share it to your friends. And one more thing, Merry Christmas, boys and girls.